So your immigration court hearing is coming up. Oftentimes clients ask me, how is it going to go? What are we going to do? Number one, I always tell them, make sure you wear professional clothing. If you have a suit and a tie, that usually works the best. Keep it to simple colors, nothing extravagant or crazy. You don't want to look better than the judge while you're sitting there. Make sure when you answer your questions, you're sitting up straight. You're not slouching over or looking like you're scared, because that could come off looking like you're lying, and you don't want that. So you make sure you sit up straight and you answer questions. The next thing is clients often try to look at me as their attorney when they're answering questions, because either they're unsure of their answer or they want some type of feedback from me. This is never a good thing. The judge is watching you, and the judge will see you looking at me, and the judge may think that you're lying or you're making something up. So it's never a good idea to look at me other than just to answer the question. Meaning, if I'm asking you the question, answer the question. But if DHS or the opposing counsel is asking you questions, don't look at me right after you answer to see if you did the right job or anything like that. It doesn't come off looking good to the judge. And finally, most importantly, know your facts. Make sure that if you're claiming certain things happened to you, you know the details. You know the time, you know the place, you know how many people were there, you know what cars or trucks they came in, what was the color of those vehicles, how do you know that car belonged to a certain person? You know, all those details are very important. Really, if you think about it, that's the only way DHS or opposing counsel is going to be able to get your case denied, is by proving you wrong on your own facts. So the way they do that is by trying to make you contradict your own statement. So where you're saying one set of facts, but now you're saying something else, they can show that you're not being entirely honest, and that's how you'll lose your case. So you got to make sure you know your details and the facts that you do know. After all, you're the person that knows best what happened to you. So make sure you just tell it like it is, and you're able to specify details so the court can determine that you're being true and genuine. That's how you're going to win your immigration court hearing. We prepare our clients before every single hearing so that clients aren't surprised when they get to court about what's going to happen. If you need help, give us a call. Thank you.